Let me enable the screen sharing. Okay, now let me share the screen.
Okay. Yes. Last is index 1, index.
Index under HTML. Where is the? Okay, that is the external JS file we have added. Script 1.js. Yes. Just 1 minute. I'm giving the next. Okay, so actually there are internal JavaScript and external JavaScript actually is there. There are two types of JavaScript. Internal JavaScript, you just need to add the script tag, and inside the script tag you can write the code. But in the external JavaScript, we have to do like this. You have to create the separately .js file and you can add. Okay, I'm doing the next. Okay, now come to the JavaScript variable. Okay, so first, what is JavaScript variable actually? JavaScript variable is simply name of storage location. There are two types of variables, local and global variable. And the variables are late, constant, and there are three data types is there. Variables are suppose data types is a, and you can declare let a equals to 10. Let is the data type, let, var, and constant, the three data types. Suppose I'm giving you in the chat let, var, and constant. These three are the data types in JavaScript.
Yes.
And let, and where we can use let, we can use let inside any block, inside any function, or inside any block. That is called local. But in the var actually, it is global. For globally, we can use var, and for inside any function or inside any block, we can use let. And when we can use constant, we can use constant. Suppose if you have any value, suppose const a equals to 10, suppose you give, then you cannot change that value because that value is constant. That value is 10. You cannot, anyhow, you cannot change the value. That is the constant, let, var, and constant. And now we do the JavaScript variable programs. Okay, starting from very basic. It is basic example. This one.
HTML variable and tools.
Here there is the var actually on kind of data type, and x, y, z, this is the variable, and 10 and 20, this is the value. And basically the answer should be 30. Yes, 30. You can write in JavaScript console.log also. After line number 7, please press enter. And you can write console.log.
Console
Yes, it's console.log.
dot log.
Yes, yes. And
Then
inside the bracket,
yes.
you write z. That variable we need to pass.
Oh, any variable you can get.
Yes, yes. Save this file first of all.
It auto save.
Okay. Yes, 30.
What is the working of console log?
Console.log is a one kind of printing statement. Suppose in document.write you print the value of z. The same way, in the console.log, you can get the answer. You can get the printing statement. In the two different ways, we can printing the statement in JavaScript. Yes. This one. Okay, now run. So actually, we have taken function. On function is function A. Then document.write data. And always we have mentioned that value of the data is 200. But data equals to 200. Then var is the global variable. Data is the global variable, and then we have taken another data function, another function that is called function B. And inside that function, we have taken document.write data. Data is the data type. The data we need to print actually. So two data actually we need to print, A and B, calling the function A and B. So 200, 200, the both the 200 actually it will be print. Now JavaScript global variable within function. We have two functions and we can do the variable. Yes, 7. Do the next. Now we come to the data types. There are three data types, var, late, and constant. It already discussed. Data type actually, this is the variable, and data types, we have data type string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. Okay, can you tell what is null data type can do? Hello, Pallavi.
Yes.
Can you tell what is null data type can do?
Null means empty. Empty data type.
Yes, empty data actually represents null value actually, no value at all.
Yes.
And undefined is represent undefined value. And another data type is boolean. Boolean, you know, actually it either true or false. It will print.
Yes.
And string is a collection of characters. And number means you have integer value. Integer value, or maybe it is long value, or maybe it is double, whatever. Okay, now we come to the next, that is called JavaScript operators.
Okay.
Operator means, suppose we have arithmetic operators. Suppose we have a equals to 10, b equals to 20, then we can find the value of the c. Then c equals to 30. That is called the arithmetic operator. We have relational operators. We have bitwise operator. We have logical operator, and we have assignment operator. These are the 5 operators in JavaScript: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, bitwise, logical, and assignment. Okay, I am saying it. Okay. These are the operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, bitwise operator, logical operator, and assignment operator.
Assignment operator.
Yes, you can note it down in the notepad also.
I'm taking screenshot.
Okay. So the first, the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator means it if you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, modulus, increment, and decrement. These are the basic mathematical operations. Okay, go back to that mathematical operation, that code, previous code actually.
Okay.
No, the previous code. No, that mathematical operation. Yes, is that z equals to, suppose you can say x minus y.
Where we, okay.
Yeah.
X minus y.
Yes.
Yes. It is equal to x minus y.
Yes, x minus y, and now run.
Okay. Yeah, minus 10.
Yes, minus 10. You can do multiplication, you can do also division. The same thing.
Yes.
That is the mathematical operators called. Okay, now do this code. This is the operator example, mathematics.
JavaScript assignment.
Hmm. Here we can find the get element by ID. Here we have taken the ID actually. Okay. Next, this program. In this program, you see ID equals to demo we have taken. After that, let y equals to 50. In the script again, x equal to 10 plus y. 10 plus y means, suppose you have demo, and actually our what is our main purpose? Main purpose is value of x we need to find plus x. So basically x is what? X is 10 plus y. So 10 plus 50 equals to. So basically the answer should be 60.
Yes, the sixth. Sixth.
Yes, in 60. Now, additional, it is called the assignment operator actually. Now, addition assignment operator plus then equal to that is called the addition of assignment operator. This one. Next. Now we need to do the string. Suppose we have let text equal to hello. After that, we take text plus equal to world. So basically, the answer should be hello world.
Yes. Yeah, it come.
Mhm.
Hello, what? Somebody.
This hello. Yes. Next, subtraction assignment. Subtraction assignment means we have now addition assignment plus equal to, now we have minus equal to. That is called the subtraction assignment. Yes, now run this one. Yes.
This is the subtraction.
Yes. Now this is the multiplication assignment. Okay. Now exponentiation assignment example. Exponentiation means double star, actually double star equal to. That is called exponentiation assignment operator. And it is called exponentiation. This one, exponentiation assignment. This is called.
Yes. It is two part.
No, one part. It is just, I am telling, it is that exponentiation assignment. Example. Double star equals to, this is the exponentiation assignment, it is called.
This one.
Yes.
Yes.
Double star equal to, this is called exponentiation assignment. Run this.
Yes. The value of x is
Yes. Now we have left shift assignment operator. We have left shift assignment operator, right shift assignment operator. This is the left shift assignment operator. In left shift assignment operator, actually it is x equal to minus 100 and again x left shift equal to 5. Yes, this is called left shift assignment operator. Now we'll do right shift assignment operator. Now you'll do the bitwise and assignment operator. Bitwise operator basically. Bitwise operator we have taken the value x equal to 100 actually. The bitwise operator. What is bitwise operator do? Actually, bitwise AND operator, assignment operator does a bitwise AND operation on two operands and assign the result to the variable actually. Two operands actually is there. And after that, in the operation, and assign the result to the variable actually. That is the main function of the bitwise AND operation. Now we'll do logical and assignment operator. Logical AND. Just like you will do the in the gate actually, logical AND. This is logical AND. Okay, so what is logical AND? Logical AND also used between two values actually. In the first value is true, in the second value is assigned. Yeah, so it will take the value is 5. Whatever the next value you will give, it is printed. Here our value is 5, so 5 will be printed.
Yes.
Value is 5, so 5 will be printed. Hmm. Now we'll do logical or assignment.
Okay.
Logical or assignment is basically it is used between two values, and if the first value is false, then second value is assigned. That is a logical or assignment. Here actually with x equal to undefined. So undefined is not a value. So it is false actually. So the second value will be printed. That means 5 will be printed. I am sending the
If first value is false, the second value is assigned.
yes. First is undefined. But the undefined means nothing. It is false actually. Next is 5. So 5 will be printed. We will do next. Next is nullish coinciding assignment operator. Nullish coinciding assignment operator. That is the new actually terminology. But then basically one question mark actually 2 question mark then equal to. That is the main operator. Nullish
Okay,
coinciding assignment operator. Okay, here what will happen? If the first value is undefined or null, that means if the first value is undefined or if the first value is null, null means there is no value actually.
Yes.
The second value is assigned actually. This one, the x question mark equal to 5.
The student from the
Yeah, skip that. Yes. Mm. Okay, so these are the total operators. Assignment operators, mathematical operators, and logical operators. And also the bitwise operators.
next function.
Yes, now it is a comparison operators in there.
Okay.
In the comparison, there is actually equals to, that is called the comparison operator. Mm. Hmm. The next is there is another comparison of part that is called equals to equals. That means triple equals to actually. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, this is next part.
Yeah, this is next one. Next one is not equals to.
Okay.
Not equals to operator.
Not equals to 8.
Hmm. Now we have greater than and less than. X greater than infinity. That will be false because 5 is not greater than 8. That's why it will be false. The next, another operator is there that is called ternary operator. That is called the ternary operator. Only actually it is the unconditional operator basically. Conditional or the ternary operator.
Ternary operator.
Yes, ternary or conditional operator. Okay, now we come to the EILP statement. EILP statement has done or not in the previous step?
Yes.
EILP statement and also I think switch case also done.
Yes. Switch case that.
Hmm.
Where used it?
Hmm. Okay, now we are in the loops. For loop, while loop, do while loop, and for in loop. For loop also is done, and let's start with the do while loop.
Okay.
Do while loop means in the do section we have the condition, and while loop we have the main condition is there. In the while loop we have the main condition is there. So according to that condition, we can print the statements.
In condition the statement also.
And yes. Okay, now I do the next. Now inside the DOM, actually, what is DOM? Actually, I have told you in the previous day, document object model. And inside the DOM, uh, we will do the get elements by name, get elements by name, get elements by tag name, and get elements by class name. We already done the class name and ID, so we will do the get elements by tag name. This is I have sent only script tag, and you need to just add the body and HTML tag. The paragraph tags actually. Okay, now we will learn the validation actually. Validation means the form. Suppose you have one form, or suppose on registration form, and inside that form, we will create so many fields like name, email address, password, confirm password. But the password and confirm password should be same. But if you give the wrong confirm password, or the actual password cannot match, that is, the form cannot be submitted. That is the actually form validation example. We need to validate the form actually. Let me give one example first. This is the form validation example. And this is very important also. Form validation is actually we use everywhere. Yeah, you have taken on function validate form. After that var name document dot my form name value, and you have taken password, another variable. And if name is null, then alert name cannot be null, return false, and else if password dot length less than 6. The length of the password should be less than 6. If you give the 7 characters or 6 characters, yeah, the password must be at least 6 characters long. If you give the 7
We
characters,
can change in this character.
yeah, you can change also, but 6 also fine.
Okay.
And it is the 6 characters. If you give the 7 characters, then the form cannot be submitted. And then we have two fields, name and password.
Yes.
Fill up this. Yes, you are a valid user. Thanks for visiting our site. That is actually there because if you give the 7, just give the 7 character.
Okay.
Go back. Not here, not here. In the form.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, now JavaScript retype password. Suppose you have password and you have the retype password or reconfirm the password. And both passwords should be same. If you give the different password, then actually form cannot be, the form should not be submitted.
Yes. You can change.
Yes. Yes, you can change also. Just go to the UI again. UI means
What?
go to the browser.
This one.
No, no, go to the browser. Browser.
In this program,
Go to the browser, Chrome browser, where you can see the out. When you run this program, one browser will come. Go to that browser.
I don't understand. Then
Okay, again run this program.
okay.
See, the browser is open.
Yes.
Now give the password. Now re-enter the password and change this re-enter password. Change this. Now submit. Password must be
It
same.
must be same.
That's the validation in JavaScript. That's why you use the JavaScript. If you don't give the same password, the form cannot be submitted.
Okay.
See here what you can do if first password equals to second password. It must be same.
Yes.
The equal operator actually.
Yes.
That means return true. If it is not true, then it is password must be same and return false. That is the main validation there. Okay, now next we will do the number validation inside one form.
Correct. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, give me 1 minute.
Okay, sure.
Yes. What number you will give?
Yes, give any number. Yes, now submit.
Yes.
But if you give any word, then any letter, then actually it is not valid. Okay,
Okay.
go back the page. Just go back.
Yes.
Give the letter. Yes.
Enter a numeric value.
Yes. That means you have to give only the number.
Only number.
Yes. You have to give only number, not any letter.
Yes.
Enter numeric value only. Not only the numeric value, not the letter or string type. Now we will do email validation. How we can do the email validation in any form.
Okay. I have done email validation in Python recently. This is my self program. Okay.
Okay.
I want to know how it working in Java.
Okay. In Python also the email validation is there.
Yes.
Okay. Email validation means you have to give the proper email ID or email address.
Yes, valid
Otherwise,
email ID. You have
otherwise
to
it cannot be submitted.
if you give any space or yeah, that will be wrong.
Yes.
This is the number, right?
Yes. Just no, this is not the number. First, this is the email actually.
Okay.
Take go back again the code.
Yes. Then what to do?
I think you paste the previous code.
Yes, I think. Yes.
So you have done the number validation.
No, you are given me that code. I will paste it last.
Okay,
You
okay. I
can
am
can you
okay.
check?
No, okay. I am giving it.
Yes. Now this is the email validation. Yes. Edit email. Yeah.
Yes.
Can
Now the email you can give wrong email also.
you are the pilot teacher. I'm taking one. It okay.
Mm.
You are the pilot teacher.
Yes, actually here actually space is we are not validating the space actually. We are just validating the email. You can also
Okay.
add the space also, but right now we are just validating the space.
Okay.
Here just we have taken dot and we have taken at the rate. These two
Yes.
special character we have taken. And if you take the white space or the blank space and you take also. Mhm. So now come to the class declaration. How to declare a class in JavaScript. Now you are creating the object and within the object we are implementing the class. Okay, next. Then now I'll do another example of task implementation. It has two parts actually. It has two parts. Okay, now run this. Yes, the four names actually. Go to the code again. Yeah, this dot ID we have taken, this dot name. It is basically the constructor actually. Basically the parameter is constructor we have taken. I think you know what is constructor actually.
Yes.
You know what is constructor in line number 10. Constructor is basically it is the same as class name. In Java, constructor is basically the block of code actually. And the
Yes.
constructor name and class name should be same. And
Yes.
constructor does not have any return type. And there are two types of constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructor. This is the parameterized constructor because we have two parameter ID and name. Two parameter. That's why it is the parameterized constructor. For initializing the object, basically, we use the constructor. So now we have one method that is detail, and then ID name we will print. Then passing the object, creating the new object E1 and E2, and calling the method after that. And after that, again we initializing the object. And the same thing will do. The fourth thing. That's why the four names will print. Okay, do the next. Now we will creating the object using the constructor. Actually, this constructor and object creation is also in there in the Java actually. In Java and JavaScript, these things are actually basically more or less actually. Yeah, run once again the the previous program.
There is the woman.
Yes.
What is the salary name and employee ID?
Employee IDs. This is the array example of in JavaScript. Okay, next. I think date time, can I show you in the previous
Yes.
date and time? Date and time.
Date and time. Yes, yes, we are completing date and time.
Okay. Okay, now we'll do the constructor method. There are two constructor, default constructor, and primary constructor.
When JavaScript is in JavaScript practice, when we will end.
JavaScript practice will end in within 1 days, within 1 or basically 2 days, more or less.
Yes.
Mhm. Mhm. Now JavaScript static method. Static is one kind of method. This is the static method example. Okay, here we have static method, static display 1 and static display 2. Test.display and test.display 2. We need to call these two methods, and then static method is invoked and static method is invoked again. Two statement will print. Okay, now run this. We will invoke again, please. JavaScript actually it will take 3 days also, because so many, actually I have separated so many examples. So maybe more or less 2 or 3 days. Not 3, I will probably 2 days. Okay, now encapsulation. What is encapsulation?
It is.
Yes, tell me.
No, it is.
Okay, encapsulation is one kind of, it is one kind of OOPS concept actually, object-oriented programming concept. Encapsulation is wrapping up of data in a single unit. That is called encapsulation. Encapsulation means, suppose we have basic example. Suppose we have one medicine, right? Inside the medicine, there are so many vitamins and so many minerals are there inside one medicine. If you open the medicine, so many minerals and vitamins are there. So one capsule is there. So wrapping up this minerals and vitamins in one capsule, and that capsule is called the medicine. So here that capsule is actually called the encapsulation. Wrapping up, there are so many data sets. So wrapping up of data in a single unit. Integrate. If you integrate all the data and store in one place, that place is called encapsulation. That's why it is called wrapping up of data in a single unit. That is called encapsulation. Now basically one integration actually of all the data. Okay, so this is the last example of today, the encapsulation example. This one. See here, construct default constructor is there. Var name, var marks. Then get name is the one method. Then return name. Then set name, set name, get marks, and then set marks. Getter and here actually we use getter and setter. Get name, set name, and then get marks and set marks. This is called actually encapsulation. Then I'll run this program.
It marks.
Invalid marks.
Nonce is undefined.
Yes, it's John undefined because John is defined within that marks, because within that, if you don't use that marks, then it is undefined. See, if marks less than 0, marks greater than 100. John is, what is the John's mark? John's marks is 110. So it's basically undefined
Yes.
because my highest marks is 100. We cannot exceed that 100.
Yes. You can less than it, so then it will be shown.
Yeah, it will be shown. You can change to 90.
Yes.
Mm.
So
90. That is the encapsulation. Encapsulation and on JavaScript validation also. Both
yes.
mixed up example.
Yes.
So basically encapsulation means getter and setter, get name, set, whatever the parameter you will take, you have to give the get name, set name, and get marks, set marks. Okay, so today's up to this, next we'll continue.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.